Guys, today we will be having some tutorial of flow simulation for this aircraft which I have made previously. I will be giving the link of this model to download from webcast. So, starting with the wizard, first of all, add flow simulation to your Solidworks for this steps. Okay, this. Next is open wizard. First of all, open the wizard. After opening this model, so starting with the wizard, we will see this. You can edit project name, etc. Next, and you will get your units. I will select SA units next. I want external flow with gravity. Okay, gravity is in the direction of y, so I will be making it 0, and this one minus 9.81. So clicking next, now I will select the material. I will be using air. Double click on air to add it. Humidity is also included. Next, now I want to add some speed of the air which is passing. So I have in negative z direction, so I will be adding it 90 meter per second. Okay, finish. Okay, now our employer is being added. It will take some time to set. So I will be editing the computational domain first of all to fit it on my model. It will be fitted for better results. Okay, so like this we will be fitting our aircraft into the model. Okay. Yes. Okay, so it's pretty well. Now I will let's take some time as we have edited it. So next one is boundary conditions. I will be using the boundary conditions for that. Okay, first of all, add the goals. Okay, and I want to have some to get static pressure. Every static pressure add, and now I will be using the now I will be meshing it. Okay, so adding the boundary conditions also. We'll be using boundary conditions for our procedure. So we can use inlet mass flow or anything like that. I want to add inlet velocity like 90 meter per second, and I want to add all of these faces. Okay, control A. Select control A. It will take some time. So now we are done with it. So now we'll be using run command. It will mesh automatically. So now click on run command. So it will be make sure that you have done all of these settings. So now as the part file is also about 60 MB, so it will take some time to get the results loading. Okay, this type of dialog box will come. So it is showing that the model is being prepared for the analysis. It will take some time, about 10 to 15 minutes. It is now calculating. You can see the number of revisions are increasing. So calculation is being done in some time. So solver is finished. Okay. So just close it. First of all, check the results. You can see that the results are loaded. So close, cancel it, and now turn it off. Now we will be adding some surface plots. Third, we will be adding all the surfaces onto which we want to plot, so control it. It will take some time as there are more than 500 faces in this model. So now all the faces are now selected. You can use all faces as well. So now all the faces is now done. We will be adding contour. First of all, pressure. We can increase the number of levels, so make it 50. So now it will take some processing time. So now it's the velocity, the pressure contours, pressure contour is on. So you can change from here. Velocity, you can make it velocity or any other thing you want to. So this is a temperature control for that. So now we will be adding some flow trajectories. We'll be adding all faces. Control A for that. It will take some time. So now we are done with it. We have selected 4 to 5 edges. So we can change from here what we want to show on our. We want to show pressure. So make it as default. So now okay. It will take some time because there are a lot of edges to analyze. Now it's running the particle study. After this it will be completed. It will take some time, so let's skip this procedure. So now it's now completed. You can see these lines along the body of the aircraft. So we can play these lines so that we can easily understand how the airflow around the body of the aircraft. So like the control trajectory, and it will select all these edges. So it will take some time, and after that, now play. We can play. Okay. So now it will play the way of air coming into the body of the aircraft like this. Okay. So we can change these from pressure to others like temperature. So it will take a lot of time to be changed. Like this, it will evaluate again. It will run particle study again. So it will take some more time. So now it's done now. So you can see the aircraft. If we change the size of we can change the size of the air particles. Okay. So white shade and